Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 老 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. 老 old very always. For example, 老师老师 teacher I am not a teacher.我不是老师。我不是老师。I'm not a teacher. 我不是老师。My casual handwriting on the character 老。老 old very always 老师 teacher I'm not a teacher 我不是老师老 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 老 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.